In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. This simple but essential task helps you manage transactions that don't fit into QuickBooks standard forms, ensuring your financial records stay accurate. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. Click on the Sign In button from the options, choose QuickBooks Online, then enter your user ID and password. Click Continue and you'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard where all your business finances are managed. Now let's create the journal entry. On the left-hand toolbar, click the Create button. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Journal Entry. This opens the journal entry form where you'll be entering the details of your transaction. A journal entry typically involves at least 2 lines, since one account is debited and another is credited. On the first line, click in the account field and choose the account you want to debit or credit. Then enter the amount and add a clear description. Good descriptions make it much easier to understand and review the entry later. Next, move to the second line. Choose the corresponding account that completes the transaction. Enter the matching amount on the debit or credit side, ensuring the totals balance properly. Remember, for every debit, there must be an equal credit once both lines are filled in. Take a moment to double check your work. Verifying accounts, amounts, and descriptions helps prevent reporting errors and keeps your financial data accurate. When everything looks correct, click Save and New at the bottom. This saves your journal entry and opens a fresh form in case you want to record another one right away. Adding journal entries in QuickBooks. Online is straightforward, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining clean and reliable financial records. By following these steps, you'll be able to record any transaction smoothly and confidently. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.